Russia's incumbent president and presidential candidate Vladimir Putin, who is set to win re-election, said he would do his utmost to achieve national development goals on Monday morning. Putin has won 87.32% of the vote after 95.04% of all ballots were counted, according to data from the Russian Central Election Commission as of Monday morning. Under Russia's presidential election regulations, a candidate who receives more than 50% of the votes will secure victory. Putin said at the campaign headquarters in Moscow that he would do his best to achieve the national development goals in all directions. Russia kicked off its three-day presidential election on Friday. The final results will be confirmed no later than March 28th by the CEC and will be announced within 3 days of confirmation.